Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going for a ride in our 1968 Buick GS. One of the nice things about this car is, unlike GM, coupes were their biggest vehicle. As you can see in Chevelle, Cutlass, they wanted to really gain the attention of a driver. Some of the good features about this car is it has factory air, power windows, power steering, power brakes. Let's show you the brakes. It's got our factory radio, factory gauges. I can see get that old-fashioned speedometer, almost like you see in the 60s, I'd say mid-60s Impalas and in the Chevy 2 Novas, or third-gen Novas. As we're cruising down the road here with our power top down, you can hear it, just hear the quiet ride. Honestly, this car was made for cruising. It's red line tires like in Corvette, another nice GM feature. No whining in the steering. Just a really, really smooth cruising car. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.